Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create the paper dots effect for your photos in a CapCut Mobile. So first, just add your photo like this. So I've already cut out and also add the stroke to the photo. And next, go to the video effect, find the texture category. Okay, and then add the dot silk screen. So adjust the texture to 15, filter to 0, and size 100 and color to 50. Okay, now go back, click on the check icon, add the filter. So here, go to filter and add the black and white that you can find under, let's try the, where is the mono? Okay, this one. I'm going to add the BW1 here. You can adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 85 and you are done. So this will be the result. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.